Have you ever noticed your Windows PC slowing down even after trying every possible optimization? Well, the real reason might be something you rarely check: your system storage. Windows 10 or Windows 11 silently keeps gigabytes of junk files, installation leftovers, temporary files, and massive caches that slowly eat up your valuable space. And when your storage gets too slow, your system can start lagging, freezing, or even crashing. But don't worry. In this video, I will share 5 simple yet powerful methods to clean up your drive, recover a lot of space, and make your PC run smoother. All without using any extra software or storage drive. So let's get started. Let's start with a hidden spot that quietly stores leftover files from your previous system. And if you recently upgraded your Windows, this could be taking up tens of gigabytes of space for no reason. So clearing it can instantly free that space back. So first, go to Settings. Then go to Storage. After a few seconds, it will display how much space is used by different categories, such as apps, videos, and temporary files. Click on Cleanup Recommendations. Now under Previous Windows installations, check the box. And then click on Cleanup. For example, in my case, it shows around 22.8 GB. But yours might be a bit more or less depending on your system. Now you will see a pop-up saying the selected files and their data will be permanently deleted. Note, only delete these files if you are sure you don't need them. Otherwise, your operating system might get corrupted. Now click Continue to confirm. It will now start cleaning up and may take a few minutes, so please be patient. Once done, you will see that the temporary file section has moved to the bottom and showing how much space has been cleared. Next, go to the document section and clear it as well. For example, my documents take up about 4 GB here. So if you have unnecessary documents, you can safely delete them too. Next, we will clean the software distribution folder, which stores temporary Windows Update files. So here's what to do. First, open your C drive. Then go to Windows folder. Now press the S key to quickly jump to folders starting with S. Now find Software Distribution and open it. Now press Ctrl plus A to select everything. And then press Shift plus Delete to permanently remove all files. Now a message will appear saying, "Are you sure you want to permanently delete these items?" Just simply click Yes. Then check the box and click Continue. After that, go to softwaredistribution.old and delete it same way. I created this folder here, so I am deleting it. But you don't need to do this. Now let's delete all temporary files stored on your computer. Now press Windows plus R to open the Run box. Type temp and press OK. Now select all files using Ctrl plus A. And now press Shift plus Delete to remove them permanently. Confirm when asked. Once done, repeat the same process for following commands one by one. So press Windows plus R. Now type %temp%. Press enter and delete all files. Now type prefetch and then hit enter and delete all files. Now type %appdata% and then press enter. Now select all and delete everything you don't need. Next, let's optimize your SSD for better performance. So first, open this PC. Right click your C drive. Then select Properties. After that, go to Tools. Then go to Optimize. Now choose your main SSD drive and click Optimize. If you have multiple drives, you can select them all. Once the optimization finishes, open Windows Search. Type Disk Cleanup and launch it. Choose your main drive and click OK. Now you will see categories like Windows Update Cleanup, temporary files and more. Now select all unnecessary items. You can include recycle bin if you want and click OK to delete them. Now right click on Windows icon and go to Settings. Then go to System. After that, go to Storage. Then click on Temporary Files. Now select everything and click Remove Files and click on Continue. Next, review your installed application section and uninstall the ones you don't use anymore. Once done, open this PC again. And you will see how much space you have recovered. And that's how you can deeply clean your Windows drive and recover a massive amount of storage space without using any third-party tools. So try these steps and you will definitely notice your system running faster and smoother than ever before. So that's it for today. If you found this tutorial helpful, then please give it a like, share and subscribe our channel for more useful tech tutorials and tips. Your support really motivates me. Thank you. Thanks for watching.